Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well and definitely into the festive mood. This is Christmas Eve, so I thought I'd take the opportunity just to do a couple of videos so you don't miss my beautiful face over the Christmas time and period. So today we are doing with the boys a tasting of some American cookies and cakes, so I hope you enjoy it. This is accompanied by American Sweets. I simply just went online. I ordered some, I don't know, we've got some Twinkies, we've got some chocolate double cream, something or other. We've got Boston cream honey bun, some snowballs. So I just wanted the kids to just see what American cakes tasted like, and please show them some love and support by watching the video and leaving your lovely comments for them to read. They do appreciate it. So without further ado, shall we get on with this tasting? Right, so in the box, the boys are going to try, or maybe not try these. These are Pop-Tarts. These are frosted strawberry drizzled cheesecake Pop-Tarts. They sound absolutely delicious. Yummy. So these come all like individually wrapped in this bubble wrap. So the boys are just going to go through them. They're going to try a little piece of each and kind of give their thoughts whether they like them or not, and just compare what they're used to eating in the UK to some new cakes they haven't tried from America. So dig in, pick your first bundle.
First we have some Yan double cream. We have something like this in the UK but don't have.
What flavours are they?
Chocolate and strawberry.
Yummy. While Owen's opening that, let me just tell you the price that I paid for that. They are £1.19 each. So you get a little pots. Right, give them a whole stick, Owen, just dip it in.
Take it.
So you get some strawberry on one side, some
strawberry chocolate.
Chocolate on the other with these dippy in sticks.
Thank you. I'm going to try the strawberry.
Okay. Can you try the strawberry? Dip your stick in. Try the strawberry, darling.
Dip your stick in.
What do you think, Kai? Kai? What do you think?
Yummy.
Is it yummy? Ash?
Don't like it.
Try the strawberry bit. Ryan, what do you think?
No, I don't like either.
Why?
Strawberry just tastes weird. It don't taste like strawberry. Do not like that. I tried the chocolate. The chocolate's alright. There's chocolate in it. So yeah. You don't like it?
The boys don't like it. I've just tried a little bit of the strawberry and the chocolate. And I quite like them actually.
I like them.
And Kai, you like them?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, what's next then?
Next one. Oh, Hostas, I think these are called.
Right, this is Hostas chocolate cake, Twinkie single, and these were 99 pence.
There you go.
So it looks like you get a sponge with some white
Cream
filling
inside, I think.
inside.
Okay.
Let's try a bit, Owen.
I don't really like that. Kind of boring.
Kai, what are you thinking?
It's a nice one.
Thumbs up. I've just tried it, but I feel like the cake is quite dry. It's quite boring, and it's very sweet. Ash?
Don't like it.
You don't like it. All right, what's next then? Was there another one in there?
Yes, it was. There was. Ooh.
I think that's the same thing.
Yes, it is. It's a thing.
So this is Hostess Twinkie. This is a single. This is 99 pence. This is
What is this
just
one?
a regular sponge. It's not chocolate. And inside, I think it's still got the white
Cream inside.
cream inside. So you probably heard of Twinkies before. I've never actually tried one.
That is not nice. I do not like that at all.
I like it. I do.
Okay, I agree. I think it's quite nice actually.
You like everything, guys.
I have to say I prefer this Twinkie to the chocolate. I don't feel this is so dry, and I also feel like there's more cream on this one. A bit more filling.
I don't like that. Next one. Next one is Dreamies. They look pretty cool.
Just use one. So they're raspberry flavoured. Let me tell you how much they were.
Oh, they look nice.
So these are Mrs. Freshly's Raspberry Dreamies twin pack, and they're £1.29.
Right, so basically these look exactly the same
So
as
these look like
the other
Twinkies,
ones,
but
apart
been
from-
dipped in raspberry coconut. Is that Owen?
Do you want to try?
Ash, what are you thinking?
It is disgusting.
No, I like this one.
Hmm.
Because coconut I like.
Yeah, I like this as well, guys.
I don't.
I like coconut.
It's very, very sweet though. This I definitely could not eat a lot of them. Very much next bundle.
Next one. Oh. Boston Mr. Freshly's Boston Cream Honey Bun.
Ew, I like honey bun.
So this is Mrs. Freshly's limited edition Boston Cream Honey Bun. And this was for £1.29. So this is a UK website. These are things that I haven't actually heard of before, that are more based around
Maybe I like this.
America.
Oh god. There you go.
Has that got cream inside it?
I don't think so. I think it's just chocolate cake.
Chocolate egg. Ugh. Egg.
I'll try a little bit. Oh god. Yeah,
What are we thinking?
it's a bit.
But no man.
Just tastes like chocolate cake.
Ash?
A little bit sour.
It tastes like nothing. And it is disgusting.
Tastes like nothing. It can't taste disgusting. I mean, it's supposed to be a donut, did it say? Oh no, a bun. Feels heavy. Feels like a brick.
Yeah, it does.
Kai, what did you think? Did you like that one?
Yeah.
That one tasted weird. Next one.
Nice.
We have Oreo brownie. Oh,
Oh, Oreo brownie.
I like it. I love it.
Right, so these are Mrs. Freshly's Oreo brownie, and that was £1.29.
We got.
oh god, I'm in trouble.
You got it?
Yeah.
Let's just have a look, Owen.
Oh, don't look very nice.
Looks horrible.
Okay, let's try.
Looks a little bit weird. Okay.
Okay, take. Don't like that one.
Do you want to try some at least? A little bit?
No.
Why are you not trying it, Kai?
That one is like bit garden peel poo. About it. I don't like it.
Try a bit. What we thinking?
This one I do like.
Actually does taste very much like a brownie, but I wouldn't say
Oreo.
Oreo, no.
It should at least have, you know, the...
Pieces of Oreo or something
Yeah.
in it.
So, I don't really like that one. It's
And it's
just
quite,
chocolate cake.
do you think it's quite fit? Like, the consistency is quite, sticks to your mouth.
Yeah. Sticky mouth. I like.
Right, here's another one.
I think I know what these are. Snowballs.
Have a look.
They look quite nice.
Yummy. Is there a flavour on the packet?
Cream filled cakes. It says cream filled cakes. It looks like strawberry because it's got pink.
In that one. I've only invited one in this video.
The candy was
So
so
these
much
are Mrs.
better.
Freshley's pink snowball cakes, twin pack, and these are £1.29.
Oh god.
They look a bit marshmallowy, don't they?
Okay, this is gonna be quite hard.
Just put it apart, Owen.
You like the flat one.
Oh, it's got chocolate sponge in it and cream. They look quite yummy, actually.
Do you want to take some?
Do you want to try it, Kai?
Yeah.
Go on then, have a go.
Ah,
I'll take it.
tickly.
Marshmallow, and then you got chocolate cake.
Ugh.
Shall I look at the cake, Owen?
Look,
So it looks like marshmallowy consistency. It looks like it's got. Is that got coconut on the top of it as well?
I think so.
It's weird. Like
Put it on there.
Tastes weird. Okay, Kai's not feeling that one.
It tastes weird.
Owen, what are you thinking?
I just. Tastes like this one. Exactly the same. Don't like it. These cakes are not nice.
Oh dear. Right, and then we have, last but not least, we have Reese's Peanut Butter Rounds. These were £1.49.
Everyone's favourite candy.
I think we kind of
Chocolate.
tried something like these before, but not these. Is that right?
Yeah.
We have these. Apart from, these are biscuits.
I mean, these are going to be a win-win because the boys like peanuts, they like peanut butter, so they like chocolate.
Now let's see how hard it is. Can't really open it. Thank you. These look nice. Ooh.
Just give them one each.
Okay.
Anna.
There you go.
Thank you.
What are you thinking, Kai?
Oh, weird.
Tastes weird?
Yeah.
You not like that one either?
Yeah.
Right, let me taste.
It tastes yummy.
I love these Reese's Pieces. Reese's, yeah, whatever. They're so nice.
I mean, yeah. So they've got like a biscuit base, basically, with the peanut, what I feel like is peanut butter and
peanut butter.
essential, and then dipped in chocolate. So Owen likes it, Ash liking it, I like it, Kai's not feeling it. Kai? Not like it?
I don't like it.
Why?
That's why it's like a bit weirdy.
Does it taste nice?
No,
What does it taste like?
it's like a bit windy.
A bit windy?
Yeah. Can't eat them all. Can't. The Santa cookie.
Well, I'm not happy with this candy, no, not candy, cake box. The only thing I like is this.
No?
Maybe the Oreo. But that's it.
I only like Reese's peanut. Oreo. Oreo.
What was your favourite, Kai?
My favourite that.
Kai like this one. You have that one.
Yeah.
So it looks like Kai likes the dippy strawberry and the chocolate. Ashton and Owen like the Reese's Rounds. I have to admit, probably with the boys like on them ones.
The rest were just disgusting.
The rest were the whole box comes well. It was £11.41 for the items. Shipping was £5.65. Then £1.13 tax. Come to £18.19.
That is not worth it.
No. So it's Christmas Eve, guys. Wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys. Bye. Tomorrow.
Kai, wish everyone a Merry Christmas, boy.
Merry Christmas.
Well, that's it from the boys for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, give them some love and support. Have yourselves a wonderful Christmas. I'll speak to you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye for now. Oh, wave.
Bye.
Kai.
Bye.